Chicken, bacon, jalapeno ranch.
Man, this guy can cook anything. Oh, what? Hey!
Beef tallow.
Hey, get up, y'all. Get out of here. Bad little dog, get up out of here. Sorry about that, y'all. There's been this dog that's been going around the neighborhood, eating up everybody's Amazon packages and patio furniture. It's ridiculous. Anyways, chicken, bacon, jalapeno ranch pasta. See, I've never seen this before or heard of this. Now, I have heard of chicken, bacon ranch, and that's them Subway sandwiches. But yeah, see, this look good. See, I need to hit up my girl and ask her to make this for me. Actually, never mind.